TCL 10 Plus is a beautiful device. But it's not just about style. It's about a design so cutting edge, it doesn't even have one. And a 6.47-inch AMOLED display powered by NextVision visual technology. About the highest quality content that feels just as good as it looks. And a quad cam that lets you see the world and capture it in high res, wide angle, and close up. About a night mode that lights up the dark. About a battery that can keep going just as long as you can. And connectivity to make sure you're always at the center of the action. This is not just about displays. This is not just about power. It's not even just about style. It's about infinite potential. It's about greatness. The TCL 10 Plus with NextVision. Display greatness.